Welcome to Cooking Corner. Today's recipe is fenugreek leaves with potato fry. It is also called as methi. It is a type of greens. It is called methi ki bhaji. So let's get started. The ingredients are: I have taken a small bunch of methi leaves or fenugreek leaves. You can also measure it to 200 grams. I have also taken a small sized chopped onion, 2 medium sized chopped potatoes. I have diced them. I have taken 3 tablespoons of chopped coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon of garlic cloves crushed, 1 green chili, half a teaspoon of salt, quarter of a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of chili powder, a pinch of garam masala powder, and 1.5 teaspoons of coriander powder or dhania powder. Let's adjust the heat to medium high. I have taken a wok. We will run through the palms to find out how hot it is. It should be medium hot. Next, we will add 2 tablespoons of oil. You can use any regular oil. I'm going to add the onions, the chopped onions. The coriander leaves, garlic and green chili, and I will give it a good mix. In this way we will saute for a minute or so. Next we will add all the masalas and give it a good mix again. Now we will cook this for 1 minute, and next we will add the fenugreek leaves. Mix it really well. In this way, you can get a really good aroma of the fenugreek leaves. Next, we will add the chopped potatoes. Again, mix it up really well. In this way. And now we will add half a cup of water. In this way. Again, give it a good mix. And now we will cover the lid and cook it for around 10 minutes. In the same flame, the flame would be medium to high. Now after 10 minutes, we will check if our potatoes are baked. You can see that the potatoes are almost cooked. Now we will add another quarter cup of water into this, and we will simmer it for 5 more minutes and then serve. So here is the absolutely delicious fenugreek potato greens fry. You can serve them with chapatis or parotas and puris, etc. You can also serve them with white rice. You can also add some water and use it like a gravy. It will be absolutely delicious. Thank you so much for watching Cooking Corner. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.